Hi everyone, this is your librarian, Miss Stevens, and today we are going to practice how to use Citation Machine and EasyBib. So this is EasyBib and this is Citation Machine, two online citation editors, to create a Works Cited, which is for MLA format, and a reference list, which is for APA format. And so I have both of those set up. And first, we'll use EasyBib. So I am at www.easybib.com, and I only want to create citations, so I'm going to click on that option. So we want to make sure that the MLA 8 citation is, or option is clicked. And so let's say that I was researching for a project about climate change, and I found this blog entry from the NASA blog, and I found some good information in it and wanted to use information from it in my project, so I need to cite it. So in order to cite it through one of our citation machines, I'm going to copy the URL. And I'm going to go back here to my EasyBib tab. And since this is a website, I'm going to go ahead and paste this URL. Oops. And click on Cite. And you'll see that it has found this source. But it needs this information. It has this information on this left-hand side, but it needs what's here on the right. So I'm going to click Continue. And you can see that it does need the article author name. So I'm going to go back to the article, and I can copy and paste this person's last name and first name. And then I can click Complete Citation. Now the big thing here is I want to double check that the citation is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the OWL Purdue website, which is linked on the the subject guide page. And since this is a website, or more specifically, this is a blog. So we're going to go down here to where it says a blog posting. So first is the editor, screen name, author, or compiler name. So let's make sure. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out so we can see it side by side. And I've got my citation over here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it over so we can see these two things side by side. Hopefully. No. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and copy the citation, and I'm going to paste it into my Works Cited. I've got to make sure that my cursor is left aligned, and I am going to, right now I'm going to just merge the source formatting, and we'll go back and we'll fix the format and make sure that everything is correct. So I've got this pulled up, and now I want to double check and make sure that my citation is correct. So I'm going to use OWL Purdue. So let's scroll down here. So editor, screen name, author, or compiler name. Okay, so that is our author, perfect. And posting title, we have the posting title, and it is in capital case, which is how MLA uses their sentence case. Name of site, so that would be NASA is what it's saying, but let's make sure that that is correct because I don't believe it is. So let's go over here. Let's see. Here. Okay. So, well, the title of our blog actually is Ask NASA Climate. So we're going to fix this because that was incorrect. Ask NASA Climate. And I'm going to make sure that this is italicized because that is the way that it is used in, or that it needs to be set up, excuse me, right here, for name of site. Version number, if available, that was not available. And then name of institution or organization affiliated, which would be NASA, perfect. And then the URL, and it has the URL there. And it does say date of access, so we're going to go ahead and add that. So accessed, just like it has over here on the right-hand side. So this is accessed 28 April APR 2018, period. All right. So you can see that the citation was not entirely correct when we cited it through the citation machine. I'm also going to go up here, highlight the citation, click on paragraph, and I am going to correct the format of the citation. I'm not going to add any extra space between. I'm going to make sure that this is double, not multiple, and I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to go to special under paragraph and click on hanging. And there is my correct citation.